Look at this splendid Chinese musical instruments I found in the Metropolitan Museum of Art. If I knew how to create pottery, I would definitely use those shapes. My favorite is this late 16th, early 17th century pipa from China. This unique Ming Dynasty instrument features more than 110 hexagonal ivory plaques, with thinner bone plaques on the neck. This is Sheng, Southeast Asian in origin and used before the 12th century BC. Stunning 19th century yueqin. The resemblance of this round lute to the full moon, Yue, is what gave it its name. And finally, the elegant suona, a 19th century artifact that originated in the Middle East. The name suona comes from zurna, the Arabic term for the instrument, and several variations of it can be found in China.